Okay, this assignment's all about learning the difference between good information and bad information. Nowadays, you have an unbelievable amount of information available to you through the internet, through a large variety of sources, but it's very important that you look at the source of that information and whether it's credible and reliable. On top of that, you may also want to look at where they drew their sources of information from and check the reliability of those sources as well. For this assignment, you're going to look at naturally protected spaces in 3 different countries. That would be something like a national park, maybe a World Heritage Site, an area of significance and importance for its natural features that's protected by that government. You're going to choose 3 different articles about these places, and you're going to use our source evaluation template to basically do a quick write-up on the reliability of that source. Start by where is the protected space location, who's it managed by, why is it a naturally protected area, what is it protecting exactly, and then go through what is the source of the information for this article, and fill in the rest of this information that comes along with your source evaluation template. Okay, you'll do that for 3 different articles, and when you're done that, there is a play pause it video that covers how to submit to Dropbox, but if you're not able to access that play pause it video, basically the idea is when you submit to Dropbox, you're submitting a shared link to the comment section. You can submit, because this is in Google, you submit a shared link to the comments section. Make sure that it is in fact a shared link. You can test this by send it to a friend first. If they're able to access it, then I should be able to too. If they can't access it, then I won't be able to. Okay, Dropbox may insist on you attaching a file. And just attach any file. It could be a small text file, a picture, it doesn't matter. Just keep the program happy, attach a small file, but that shared link in the comments section is the important part. All of you have a KPR Students account. This gives you a Gmail account. All of you basically have, if you didn't think you had one or you didn't have one before, you have one now. You have a Gmail account that gives you access to all the Google apps through this @kprschool.ca email that you all have. So if you don't know what your KPR School's address is, you can email me and I will send it to you along with your password. But when you get this template through the program, you can make a copy of it, which you can share with me and share through the Dropbox. You can also, if you prefer, simply download it and fill it in that way, and you can submit that through Dropbox as well. So you have a couple different options on how you can send this in to me through Dropbox. Okay, so that's basically all of it. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me, and good luck.